Colors for marketing. Psychology of colors for your brand. Everyone, you're watching Sprintzeal channel where you'll explore. Enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Introduction. Colors speak volumes. These colors signify and influence a vital share in consumer reactions and engagement. Simply put, new customers rely on brand colors with the brand marketing strategy guide to engage or not or learn more about your product, and these affect consumer decision making. It's true that thousands of users or customers judge your brand or product on the design, style, layout, and brand colors as the first engagement. Before setting up your brand on the table, understanding what colors can create a domino effect on your brand would create an impactful meaning for your brand. For instance, let us assume the color blue for Facebook and Twitter. The color blue majorly signifies trust, security, wisdom. Similarly, the right colors to your brand bring meaning, alignment, positive reviews, and customer loyalty. This article guides on brand color choices that reflect your brand voice, brand personality, and product goal that can drive marketing design expertise in your favor. Do colors for marketing matters? It's a definite yes. From entrepreneurs, artists, and designers associates to brand colors for marketing to offer customers or users insight into their brand. Another reason is the psychological response with certain colors people pertains to it. For example, the majority of people associate green colors with nature, health, youth, and sustainability. Colors are a tool in marketing in the virtual senses while designing ads, logos, brands, and websites. The fact that colors do associate with consumers' perception or psychology of color towards their engagement and interests. This can lead to effective marketing design as colors can be powerful. The metaphor of colors for marketing. Gaining an understanding of the importance of color psychology and how these colors create, interact, and can assist in picking colors that resound the target audience, markets, and more. Study research reveals that people draw subliminal conclusions about a person, place, object, or service within 70 seconds of observing, and about 80% of judgment is based on colors themselves. Guide 1 to understand the color specifications. Red, love, danger, action, property, good fortune, vitality, danger, caution, evil, beauty, wealth, power, and others. Black, intimidation, death, mourning, health, prosperity, stability, mystery, mourning, rebirth, evil, darkness, negativity, and more. Blue, depression, trust, calm, healing, relaxing, feminine, heaven, spirituality, sports, strength, and more. Green, luck, jealousy, greed, fertility, hope, life, strength, harvest, virtue, and others. Yellow, sacred, auspicious, happiness, prosperity, sacred, royalty, masculinity, joy, caution, and others. White, trust, nobility, softness, cleanliness, simplicity, purity, and more. Pink, excitement, hope, romance, and inspiration. Gold, luxury, glamour, victory, and wealth. Purple, compassion, delicacy, gentleness, luxury, romance, introspection, royalty, calm. Guide to choosing the right brand colors. A time-stretching process and a list of things come into the picture. The team or designers in the pre-planning process must come up with a color palette that refrains from copyright issues. On a clear note, choose a color that defines your product and caters to your target audience. One must understand and research the mood, perception, or point of view of customers with your brand color-related terminology or your products. Deciding on the right color with your target customers can result in customer passionate behavior. It will allow your brand an objective perspective with the colors whenever they view your brand. These brand colors place the mood of brand expression. A correctly chosen color has the ability to bring emotional bonding to the customers, which is influential. Compare instances with popular brands and ads with their associated colors that have created a brand value. There is sentimental attachment involved with popular brands. Looking at their colors, the customers quickly associate with its brand. Colors convey emotions. These emotions have the power to highly affect decision making. At most, the idea of brands is to build effective emotional bonds to gain their customers' loyalty and bonding that needs colors more than just a mere design, ads, or logo to convince. Guide 3. Analyze and inspire from other brands. Uncovering the color terminology and grasping how colors theory can be super powerful to impact mood and perception. Hit for a competitor's brand study. Needless to say, but taking steps to find major competitors similar to your product and brands would do wonders. Guide 4. Pinpoint colors that reflect your brand. The next step to your colors for marketing after competitor research and how customers react to your brand should be on improvising brand color representation. This comes up with many factors like target audience, region, market value, customer engagement, brand personality traits, and many more. It's sensitive and important to bring the right colors that reflect your brand. This propels you to help your work or business in a better direction. For instance, the colors of the Starbucks logo are white and deep green. The white is the silent symbol, whereas the background is the green color for healing, nature, and protection. By cracking the right colors, you can strengthen your brand's association to reach out to different customers, product categories, and various competitors and improvise solutions to problems. Guide 5. Keep consistent with your brand or service. The majority share of the audience remembers a brand by its color, and the least share by the brand or service name. And it will be a good move to focus on the major response of the target audience who reacted with the color to their response. For this, consistency is the secret to good efficiency and trust building on the business and marketing front. Building consistency in your product or business allows you to implement and build loyalty, awareness, changes, and deliverables that meet the customer's expectations, long-term customer bonding, and generate profit. There will be a falling bridge of failure without having to be consistent, be it any form of business. Likewise, consistency is really important in different times with changing marketing trends when the audience wants assurance and reliability in your business. Thanks for watching Sprintzeal. If you like the video, please do share and comment. Thanks for watching Sprintzeal. If you like the video, please do share and comment.